Hi guys, today my dad is going to be retrying to fix the dishwasher for like the 5th time out of all our dishwashers.
Yep.
I'm going to sit down so it's easier for me to record.
So I'm going to slide it over and get it past the stop.
So he's trying to technically get it out of its hole. Next video I'll show you around the house. He's having technical difficulties. You having technical difficulties?
Houses are technical difficulties.
Also, money is a technical difficulty right now. There's a piece he already took out and screws. Here's some cabinets. And then this is our kitchen. That's our backyard. That's our fridge. Pretty big. Holds not much room.
We're going to go some drastic measures.
Well, at least you're giving the YouTubers a tip. What? Here's the screw. Here's the screw we just took out. Screw. Another little screw. 2 screws, not big. Say hi. Put this screw here.
I'm just going to put this screw back in.
2 typical screws.
We don't lose our cabinet.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is our 2nd video today. And this is me. Hi. This is the first time I've recorded. If you haven't seen our first video, go check that one out. It's called his first video.
Pretty lame, but it's the start.
It's the start of something new.
The start of a bunch of lame videos.
Yep. My channel will be called Natalie XOX. I haven't made it yet, but because I'm underage to make a YouTube video, which is strange.
Now I got plenty of room. I could slide this out.
That's the first step to get your dishwasher out.
I'm gonna come over to this side. Sit right here. You can watch.
Good plan.
That's Andrew. He never comes out of his room.
We made a YouTube video.
We'll bleep that out for you guys. Because our family videos are going to be wholesome. Without any swearing. Except for from the 2 others that live in the house.
Which is you.
Oh, now you get to delete the video.
Nope. I'm not even editing that out.
I don't know.
Alright, you gotta slide that.
He's having fun. His back hurts. So that's also another problem that we have to fix when I'm done. Oh, this is our living room. Turtles. Downstairs, upstairs, light, and all this other stuff.
Okay. So in here, the water comes up and goes around, and there's a little float sensor that gets gummed up with food all the time. So last time I fixed it, this is what I did.
I don't think you fixed this dishwasher yet.
Yeah, I had to fix it when we first got it.
Oh yeah, you've got to clean it out and.
Only a couple screws.
So if you haven't seen our first video, go check that out. It's not my channel, it's his channel, called David Larson. He said he thinks he's going to have a lot of lame videos, which, in my opinion, I think he's not lying. It's already been 6 minutes, 48 seconds. You guys are going to have a long video this time. Look at this booty. There's water in it.
There is water in it.
Is that a problem?
We'll have to drink. I'm gonna get bugger off of there. You gotta make sure you don't spill water in the undercarriage, and you'll think it's leaking.
Let's get you guys a close up of this. This is what's happening. Here's a close up.
There's a little clip down here. That you gotta get off. And then you gotta pop it out of its little home.
Just wanted to give you a close up if you never had to fix your dishwasher before.
So that slides out of there. So you see what happens is there's this little float valve, and it goes up and down with the water. So when there's no water in it, it reads this sensor right here, and then when it's full of water, it reads this sensor. And sometimes it gets overflowed and jammed up, and that doesn't go up.
I don't have very good lighting, so you guys might not be able to see.
So you gotta be careful because.
Okay, let's put you guys right here. Put it on.
We'll drink
You
some
and
of
him.
this water out.
Watching. Where is your phone? I need your phone so I can get better lighting.
We'll drain a little bit more water out and see how that thing floats.
I need your thumb. Let me see your thumb.
Alright, now
Can I see your thumb?
puppy back in there.
Real quick. One sec, guys. I've got to get his thumb so I can get better lighting. Okay, do you need this anymore?
No, you can turn that one off.
Okay, let's get his flashlight. Is that better lighting for you?
That's better.
Sorry guys, I'm not really recording right now. So I'm trying to hold this and gotta get the camera in my hand. Sorry about that. Now this is what it looks like with better lighting. You guys couldn't really see before. That's him. He doesn't really need lighting. Does that help with the light?